8.1 question number 5. Find the probability distribution of number of successes in two tosses of a die if success is defined as getting a number greater than 4. If we toss a dice, what we'll get? We'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But they say that success is defined as number greater than 4 appear on at least one dice. Now, what is the probability or what is the case that number greater than 4 appear in at least one dice? So one if number greater than 4 will be 5 and 6. So what is the probability that we get number greater than 4? If I say P is probability of getting success, then P is 2 by 6 or 1 by 3. And if Q is probability of getting failure, then Q will be, see, if success is number greater than 4, then failure will be number less than or equal to 4. So if you get 1, 2, 3 or 4, then it is 4 by 6, 2 by 3 is the probability of getting failure. Now they say that if you toss 2 dice, if you throw 2 dice, what is the probability of getting success? Find the probability distribution of number of successes. Now, if 2 dice are thrown, then what we can get? We may get 0 success. That is, both the time you may get a number less than 4 or equal to 4, or you may get 1 success or you may get 2 successes. So if X denotes number of success we can get on throwing a dice, then value of X will be 0, no success at all. All time you will only get number less than or equal to 4 or 1 success or 2 success. And then what is the probability? Probability of getting no success at all. That is, first time also you got 2 by 3 and second time also you got 2 by 3. So it will be 4 by 9. 1 success, so 1 by 3 into 2 by 3, that will be 2 by 9. And 2 success, so it will be 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 9. Achha, this 1 success is at least on one dice. So you may get number greater than 4 on one dice in 2 by 9 and on other dice in 2 by 9. So you can add them. This will become 4 by 9. Now this is the probability distribution of question number 5. I'll again repeat. Find the probability distribution of number of successes in two tosses of a dice if success is defined as getting number greater than 4. So if a dice is thrown, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what we get. If we want number greater than 4, then we will get 5 or 6. If P is a probability of getting number greater than 4, that is being successful. So it will be 2 by 6 or 1 by 3. So what is Q? Q is probability of not getting success, that is getting failure. So if getting success is 1 by 3, not getting success is 2 by 3. If X denotes number of success, we can get on throwing a dice. Now we are throwing dice twice and we will get success only. We can get success both the time. That is, we will get both the time we will get 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So it is the probability is 1 by 9. Or we may get only once. म्हणजे एका डायस वरती 1 by 3 and दुसऱ्या डायस वर 2 by 3. So that will become 2 by 9. Or पहिल्या डायस वरती 1 by 3 and दुसऱ्यावर 2 by 3. ते पण 2 by 9. So that will become 4 by 9. Or no success at all. It will also become 4 by 9. This is your required probability distribution. थोड़ा घुमा फिरा के पूछा है. A sample of 4 bulbs is drawn at random with replacement from a lot of 30 bulbs, which include 6 defective. Find the probability distribution of number of defective bulbs. Question 6. There are total 30 bulbs and 6 are defective. And we are going to draw 4 bulbs from the defective bulbs. We have to find the probability distribution for number of defective bulbs. Okay. Out of 30, 6 bulbs are defective. So probability of defective bulb is 1 by 5. 6 by 30, that is 1 by 5. Probability of defective bulb will be 6 by 30. That is 1 by 5. So what is the probability of non-defective bulb? Because defective is 1 by 5, so non-defective is 4 by 5. X denotes number of defective bulbs. So X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if I am drawing 4 bulbs, I may have no defective at all. If there are no defective, so all the bulbs are non-defective. So all the bulbs are four by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5. So I'll multiply 4 by 5 for 4 times. So I'll get 4 by 5 bracket raised to 4. If there is one defective, so it will be 1 by 5 into 4 by 5. So 4 cube upon 5 raised to 4. If there are two defectives, then 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5. So it is 4 square upon 5 raised to 4. 3 defectives. So it is 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 is defective and 4 by 5. So 4 raised to 5, 5 raised to 4. And 4 defective, 1 upon all 4 are defective, 5 raised to 4. Okay, this is your probability distribution. क्योंकि अगर एक भी डिफेक्टिव नहीं होगा तो वो क्या होगा, सारे नॉन डिफेक्टिव होंगे 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5. अगर एक ही डिफेक्टिव होगा तो 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 1 by 5. अगर दो होंगे तो 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. तो वो 4 square by 5 raised to 4 आएगा. This is your probability distribution. Let us take the 7th sum also. Question number 7. A coin is biased so that the head is 3 times as likely to occur as tails. if I say that tail occurs if probability that tail occurs is P and that of head occurs is P. I'll just again read the sum. There is slight confusion. A coin is biased so that the head is 3 times as likely to occur as tail. Okay. So if P is probability that tail occurs, and Q is probability that head occurs. So according to them, Q is 3P. Now if I throw a coin, either head will occur or tail will occur. So P plus Q should be equal to 1. So 3P plus P is equals to 1. 4P is equals to 1. P is 1 by 4. So probability that tail occurs is 1 by 4. And probability that head occurs is 3 by 4. Now they say that if I throw if we throw a coin or we toss a coin twice, what is the number of tails? I will say let X denotes number of tails. Let X denotes number of tails. So X can be 0, 1 or 2. So probability, tail, no tail at all. So probability that tail doesn't occur means all 2 are heads. Head is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. So 9 by 16 is no tail occurs. Only one tail. Only one tail is 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. So that is 3 by 16. म्हणजे पहिल्या कॉइन वरती टेल आणि दुसऱ्यावर हेड किंवा पहिल्यावर हेड आणि दुसऱ्यावर टेल. So this will be 6 by 16. हे twice येईल ना. First coin will show head, second will show tail. First will show tail, second will show head. This will come 2 times. Then the next is on both the coins there are tails. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 16. This is your probability distribution. Question number 8. A random variable X has the following probability distribution. X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And probability is K, 2K, 2K, 3K, K square, 2K square, 7K square plus K. If this is already a probability distribution, it means that addition of all the probability is 1. So K plus 2K, 3K, 3K plus 2K, 5K, 8K, 8K plus K square. So this will be k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k, everything is equal to 1. So 2k plus 2k square plus 3 plus k square is 3k square. 3k square plus 7 is 10k square plus this is 3k, 5k, 8k, 9k is equals to 1. Now we have to find out the value of k. I will say 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equals to 0. So 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1 is equals to 0. So 10k into bracket k plus 1 minus 1 into bracket k plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is k plus 1, 10k minus 1 is 0. So k is minus 1 or k is 1 by 10. Now k cannot be minus 1 here because here probability will become minus 1. So probability cannot be minus. K cannot be minus 1 as probability is always greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, k is 1 by 10. This is the answer of the first one. K is 1 by 10. Now we'll write down the entire probability distribution as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And probability is 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10. K square will become 1 by 100. 2 by 100. See, this is 7k square plus k. So 7 by 100. Oh, sorry, 7k square. So 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10. I'll multiply here by 10. So this will become 70 by 100. If we add this, this is 72, 73, 73 by 100. And then we'll add this. We'll get the answer. Everything is equal to 1. See, 1 by 10 plus 2 by 3 by 10. 3 by 10 plus 2 is 5 by 10. 5 by 10, 8 by 10. Sorry, this is 77. So it will become 77. 77, 79, and 80. That will be 80 by 100. Let us see if it is coming the same. Because k is 1 by 10. So this will be 1 by 10. This is 2 by 10. This is 2 by 10. This is 3 by 10. This is 1 by 100. This is 2k square. So 2 into 1 by 100 bracket square, 1 by 10 bracket square is 2 by 100. And this is 7k square plus k. 7k square. 7 by 100 plus k. 7k square plus k. So this is 7. 1 by 10 is a square kal 1 by 100 plus 1 by 10. So 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10. I'll multiply this by 10. Yeah, I multiplied it by 7 actually. This is 10. So this will be 7 plus 10 upon 100. That will be 17 by 100. So this will become 20 by 100. 20 by 100 will be 2 by 10. 2 by 10 plus 8 by 10 is exactly, it will become 1. So now this is probability distribution. Now we'll answer the further questions. Sorry, by mistake I wrote it 7. That's why it was getting confused in it. The second is P has to P that X should be less than 3. X should be less than 3 means what? It has to be 1 or 2. So X has to be 1 or it has to be 2. So what is probability that X is 1 plus probability that X is 2? That is 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10. That is 3 by 10. Then next, third one, probability that X is in between 0 and 3. Probability that X is in between 0 and 3 is same. Probability that X is 1 or 2. So that is probability that X is equals to 1 or probability that X is equals to 2. That is 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10. That is 3 by 10. Probability that X is greater than 4. So X has to be 5 or 6 or 7. So 5 is 1 by 100 plus 6 is 2 by 100 plus 7 is 17 by 100. So that will be 20 by 100 or 2 by 10, or it will become 1 by 5. Before we go to the next sum, let us learn the concept of expected value and variance. We know that X, X1, X2, X3, along with their probabilities P1, P2, P3. This is nothing but a probability distribution. Okay. Now, the mean of this distribution, the mean of this distribution is called as expected value. That is summation XP. That is X1 P1 plus X2 P2 plus X3 P3. This is called as expected value. Expected value is given as E of X and it is given as summation XP. Then variance. Variance is given as E of X square minus E of X, that is expected value bracket square. E of X square is summation X square P. And E of X is summation XP. We know that. Like that, we'll find out variance. Let us take an example and let's see how to find mean and variance of probability function. For better understanding, I'll take a small distribution. Suppose X is 0, 1, 2 and P is 9 by 16, 6 by 16 and 1 by 16. Now, what is E of X? That will be 0 into 9 by 16 plus 1 into 6 by 16 plus 2 into 1 by 16. That will be 6 by 16 plus 2 by 16, that is 8 by 16, that is 1 by 2. And then what is variance? Is E of x square minus E of x bracket square. This is your mean. Let us find out E of x square. Summation x square b. That is 0 square into 9 by 16 plus 1 square into 6 by 16 plus 2 square into 1 by 16. This is 0. This is 6 by 16 plus this is 4 by 16. So that is 10 by 16. E of x square. Then E of x bracket square. So variance of x will be 10 by 16 minus 1 by 4 bracket square. So 10 by 16 minus 1 by 16, that is 9 by 16 is your variance. This is the way we can find out expected value and variance. Now let us go to the next sum, sum number 9. Sum number 9 is x minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Probability is 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.15, 0.25. So expected value. So E of x is summation xp. That is minus 2 into 0.2. I can directly add and write down here. So this will become minus 0.4 minus 0.3 plus 0 plus 0.15 plus 0.5. This is minus 0.7 plus 0.2. So this will be, I'll just recheck this. This will become minus 0.05. Because it is 0.7 minus 0.65. So this will become minus 0.05. This is E of x. Now they have asked us to find out the expected value and variance. This is the expected value. Now variance. Variance of x is E of x square minus E of x bracket square. So E of x square is summation x square b. That is 4 into 0.2. This is 0.8. Plus 1 into 0.3. So this is 0.3. 0 into this. So this is 0. 1 square into plus 0.15 plus 2 square So 4 into 0.25 is 1. So this will become 2.25. So variance of x is 2.25 minus 0.05 bracket square. That will become 2.2475. This is the variance. Expected value, variance. For variance, it is e of x square. E of x square म्हणजे काय? x चा square म्हणजे -2 चा square 4 into 0.2. So 4 into 0.2 is 0.8. So this will be -2 bracket square into 0.2. So 4 into 0.2 is 0.8 plus -1 bracket square into 0.3. So that is 0.3 and so on. Okay, so this is how we will find out the expected value and variance. See, the expected value is 1/2. उसका square ही 1/4 आ गया. गलती से वो square का भी square ले लिया. तो ये आ जाएगा 1/4. So to equalize the denominator, I'll multiply by this by 16. So this will be, this is by mistake actually, it won't come like this anytime. So this, sorry, not 16, I'll have to multiply this by 4. So this will be -4/16. So that will be 6/16 actually. ये जो एग्जाम्पल लिया था हम लोगों ने 0, 1, 2 का, उसमें ये चेंजेस आएंगे.